Native Irish wildflowers are not only aesthetically beautiful to the eye, but also an important part of our ecosystem here in Ireland. Irish native wildflowers have been adapting to our island's climate and soil conditions for thousands of years, making them more resilient than ever, while supporting our native biodiversity, native bees, butterflies, including all pollinators across our island.
Unfortunately, in Ireland today many of our native Irish wildflower species have or are been damaged and threatened annually by large habitat losses from invasive species, losses for example, from uneducated, weed killer spraying practices. Ireland's biodiversity is in trouble and needs our help. It's time we all had a think about our past methods, future ones, while gardening or flowerscaping land projects, this ground was sprayed. There is no micro-life or bee food in this image for a pollinator. Native Irish wildflowers also require less watering or maintenance than non-native Irish wildflowers or plants, making native Irish seed bombs a sustainable first choice among many landscapers and gardeners across Ireland in 2023. So next time you're thinking about planting some flowers, consider choosing native Irish wildflowers seed bombs for the benefits they offer. Join your local or rural community projects while protecting and preserving your national Irish biodiversity. Visit our website on the following screen for more information. We really appreciate you watching our video today. Please help by giving our video a thumbs up or by sharing it.